enormous Lego box. So, when I count to three, Yoda, I want you to open this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's use it, Yoda. We want you to use the force. Go! Oh my goodness. I don't think that Yoda can do it alone. Okay, so maybe we can have the parents help us. Parents, when I count to 3, I want you guys to stretch your arms out all the way to harness the power of the force along with Yoda to open up this box. Ready, parents? 1, 2, 3.
Trial at the Jedi Temple Academy. Master Yoda instructs his Padawans in the Holocron Vault, unaware of the peril that awaits.
Attention to the holocron. The skills of a famous Jedi. Who a Padawan like you once was. You will see.
Who is it, Master?
I bet it's a great warrior.
Only the greatest warrior of all, Anakin Skywalker. Yes, we are actually related in a way. He constructed me, you know.
Yes. Never fail to remind us of that, do you? Now, learn and watch.
There he is, our hero, Master Anakin. That style, oh, what courage! Save me! I can't help you. Thank you, that's quite enough. You can turn it off now, Master Yoda. Master Yoda.
Master, I sense something troubles you.
The disturbance I feel in the Force. Growing, the power of the dark side is a new threat I detect. No, not I do, but very powerful. This feeling is...
LEGO Star Wars, The Yoda Chronicles, a special event, Wednesday, May 29th at 8, 7 Central, only on Cartoon Network.
Wow.